My dear friends and students, tutorial of our basic concept of complex number. Before I start the class, please like, subscribe, share and comments for next videos. Theorem. Remember, statement is cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power n, where n is integer. N in integer, that is n belongs to I. N belongs to I equals to cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. Now you can see that, for example, if we let n is equal to 2, then cos theta plus iota sin theta is equal to 2 is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta into cos theta plus iota sin theta. Cos theta multiply cos theta into cos theta 1 plus cos theta into iota sin theta 1 plus iota sin theta into cos theta 1 minus sin theta 1. Now you can write this cos theta 1 minus sin theta 1 and plus iota common cos theta sin theta 1 plus sin theta cos theta 1. This is equal to cos theta plus theta 1 plus iota sin theta plus theta 1, and this is called cos 2 theta plus iota sin 2 theta. And similarly you can proceed. This is equal to this, यानी cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power n is equal to cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. This is the value of this. Okay. So now we can go to find the nth root of unity. This is a special topic of this complex number, and this is the theme of this. Okay. Let z is equal to 1. Then you can write 1 into e to the power theta plus 0 plus 2n pi. 2n pi. K pi, where k belongs to natural number, so integer or integer. K belongs to integer. Okay. So z to the power 1 by upon is equal to 1 to the power 1 by upon and e to the power 0 plus 2k pi by n. Now you can write 1 into e to the power 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 n minus 1. Where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 n minus 1. You can write this 1 e to the power 2k pi by n, 2 into 2 pi by n, to e to the power 2 into 3 pi by n go to this is equal to 1, this is equal to omega, this is equal to omega square, and so on. So on, omega to the power n minus 1. This is called nth root of unity. Nth root of unity. We can also represent nth root of unity on the real axis, on the xy plane. If you take z is equal to 1 and rotate this point angle by 2 pi by n. Again rotate this point. This is equal to z1 is equal to e to the power 2 pi by n. Again z2 rotate 2 pi by n, and similarly you can rotate and join. This represent a circle. So another root of unity also represents a circle of this. Like to find 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota to the power 200. You can add this 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota to the power 100. This is at 1 square plus iota square plus 2 iota, and this is equal to 1 minus iota square to the power 200. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 to the power 200 is equal to iota to the power 200, and you can write this iota to the power 4 into multiply of 50, and this is equal to 1. So we find this type of question in this method. Again, you can see again example of iota to the power n plus 100 iota to the power n plus 50 iota plus iota to the power n plus 48 plus iota to the power n plus 46. You can common take iota power n. You can add iota power 100 plus iota power 50 plus iota to the power 48 plus iota to the power 46. And is equal right iota power n 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. And iota to the power n is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So find this type of question by this method. Now represent a point of complex number. If we have a xy plane and a complex number p, xy, point p, z is equal to x plus iota y. This is called theta. If we rotate this by angle alpha, this point gives, and also this is called r e to the power iota theta. This is called r e to the power iota theta plus alpha, and this is called r e to the power iota gamma. This is called zebra. So this is the representation of point of complex number. Geometrical representation. Geometrically representation. Representation of point. Similarly, you can see geometrical representation of sum of two complex numbers like z1 plus z2, x and y. This is called z1 point, and we have a z2 point. Then you can order this, and this again proceed. This point is z1 plus z2, and this is called the diagonal vector of z1 plus z2. So many things, so many representations like z1 minus z2, z1 into z2, but the scarcity of time, can't more discussion about this, like representation of Z1 minus Z2, Z1 into Z2, etc. So many discussion. Thanks.